Welcome to the TeamingPro dashboard. Your dashboard is your company's central page for the network's latest reporting as well as your real-time company alerts. At the top of the page, you'll see your company logo, company name, and your company's visibility score. This is the score the platform gives your company based on your company's searchable profile. The higher the score, the more visible your company is on searches and matches for other teaming partners throughout the system. You can edit your company's profile by clicking into your settings page from the Edit button. You can manage your company's TeamingPro subscription by clicking Manage Subscription, and you can update your plan and seat access from there. If you ever have any questions, you can always click the Contact Support button on the top right of your screen. This will send a direct message to the TeamingPro support staff. The Opportunities section on the left is a mixture of opportunity and contract matches for your current BDAi mode. BDAi modes consist of Company Mode and User Mode. Company Mode and User Mode both trigger real-time match updates for SAM.gov and expiring federal contracts. Your mode's search profile has detailed filters directed for your needs. To edit your BDAi mode profiles, just click the Edit Filters link to reach your settings. Please note, free members will only have access to BDAi Company Mode, whereas subscribing members have access to both. The Opportunities section represents live SAM.gov opportunity matching for your current BDAi mode. Clicking this number will display your Opportunities matching page, where you can manage these matches and take the next steps. The Expiring Contracts section represents the expiring federal contracts matching your current BDAi mode. Clicking this number will display your contracts matching page, where you can manage these matches and take the next steps. Your AUTOCONNECT matches are a running set of direct and indirect matches for SAM.gov opportunities and expiring federal contracts. Each one is tied to a pool of filtered, in-network companies qualified to work the opportunity. You can filter your results by contract or opportunity and sort by other criteria as well. Clicking the Update link here will tell the system to run a new AUTOCONNECT match. We run new matches triggered in this way once an hour. This is usually done after a change to your BDAi profile. Clicking the number in the AUTOCONNECT box will display the AUTOCONNECT Quick Launch page. This will send an AUTOCONNECT notification to the companies in the TeamingPro network that both match this opportunity and are open to new work. AUTOCONNECTs with your responses are saved in your AUTOCONNECT dashboard. Clicking the BDAi thumbs up or thumbs down will record your user preference for this type of opportunity or contract, and will automatically add it to your filters for more relevant matches. Clicking the Pipeline button will add that SAM.gov or expiring contract to your company's pipeline. Each opportunity or contract can be tracked and collaborated with here on your pipeline dashboard. Clicking the Remove button will remove this opportunity or contract from your AUTOCONNECT match view. The Networking and Connections section represents a filtered view of companies and government agencies actively participating in the TeamingPro network. Each button will send you to the company search page, where you can add additional filters. The Alerts and Reports section represents your real-time alerts between your company and others on the platform. The DMs section, if green, represents the number of unread direct messages you have in the system from other companies. Clicking into this number will bring you to your direct message page, where you can manage and respond to messages. The AUTOCONNECT Alert section shows the number of AUTOCONNECT invitations you have received from other companies and new responses from companies for AUTOCONNECTs your company has sent out. Clicking into the invitations number will bring you to your AUTOCONNECT responses page, where you can view the AUTOCONNECT your company was invited to and take the next steps from there. Clicking into the responses number will bring you to your AUTOCONNECT dashboard with the newest at the top. The Visibility Report section will show a few different stats about your company's visibility on the platform. You can manage your company's CRM by clicking the Manage CRM link. The number represents the number of companies you have in your company's CRM. Please note, free users are limited to adding 3 companies per month to their CRM. Subscribing customers have unlimited access. Company page views counts the number of times your TeamingPro company page has been viewed. This is both internal company views as well as open Google search views. Profile views is a counter of how many times your company profile has been viewed. These are all internal company views. Appeared in searches represents how many times your company was shown within the viewable screen of our company search. Appeared in matches represents how many times your company was viewed as a match on the SAM.gov teammate matching, as well as the expiring federal contract matching pages for opportunities and contracts. CRMs in represents the number of other company CRMs your company is actively in. I hope this helped you understand your TeamingPro dashboard better. If you have any questions, please contact us and our support team will reach out. Thanks for watching.